Hello Salesforce admins! Today I want to share a tip that I have learned. Hopefully it will be useful to you as well. As an admin, you often need to find out the license information for the users in your work. Instead of going into each user's detail page and find out which license being assigned to this person, you can display this information all under one place. That's under the users page, just like this. As you can see, the license is clearly showing next to the person. This gives you a very clear view. This is done through a custom formula field. I made this field to be called user license. Let's see how this is done. Go to Object Manager and find the user object. And then you want to create a custom field. I have already done it, and I want to show you how this field is configured. Their license. Make sure it's a formula field. And up here, fill up all the required information. The formula return type is text. And here's the important part. Under the Advanced Formula tab, you want to enter this field, profile.userlicense.name. And then you click check syntax, and then save to create this new field. After that, you want to set field level security to give the appropriate access to the right person in your org. And then let's go to the page layout. Want to add the user layout so that this new field will be available in this page layout. You just drag this field from up here to the additional information section. That's it. You save the page layout, and then let's go back to the user's setup page. On this page, you need to edit to make the new field to be available. It is in this available fields area. You just move it to the right, and then you can sort it in a way that like it to be. And then this field will become available on this page. As you can see, all the users' license information are clearly displayed here. I hope this is helpful. Thank you very much for watching.